Hi! Welcome to my channel! You are here to make a bunny, right? These are the materials. You're gonna need size 8 yarn. I use 6.5mm crochet hook, a felt black, white, pink, and red. You also need a glue, a stitch marker, scissor, and darning needle. For round 1, do a magic ring, chain 1, and do 4 single crochet inside the ring. Three and 4. Pull the tail of the yarn and do a increase in each of the chain for 8 stitches around. For round 3, do a single crochet and mark it, and increase in the next, or 2 single crochet in the next. Single crochet in the next and increase in the next. Single crochet in the next and increase in the next. For 12 stitches around. For round 4, do a single crochet, 1, 2, and increase in the third for 16 stitches around. For round 5, 6, and 7, just do a single crochet each chain for 16 stitches. Now for round 8, remove the stitch marker and do a single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and decrease in the next. Insert your hook in the front loop only, and insert your hook in the front loop only in the next chain. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and single crochet 1, 2, and decrease in the next. Repeat this for 12 stitches around. For round 9, do a single crochet each of the chain or stitches for 12 stitches around. And once you have 12 stitches around, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. For the head of the bunny, just click on the top right side of this video.